So Robert Weed Corp. started as Robert Weed Plywood. We were founded about 52 years ago. We started as a buy-sell distribution business, pretty much slinging plywood panels out of the back of station wagons. Robert Weed, the founder, my grandfather, started by building relationships with vendors and customers, and really was good at the buy and the sell part of that. David Weed, my father, came out of the military, came out of the service, and was able to understand processes and the value of improving those processes. Started taking a look at manufacturing as decorative panels in the market turned from stained plywood to film adhered to boards, and equipment was necessary. David was able to start plugging in the manufacturing piece. So we went from manufacturing plywood panels with adhesives to adding the wrapped decorative component to that, cold presses and nip lines, vacuum formers for countertops, as well as molding unique profiles. So our primary market is the recreational vehicle market. It's been a wonderful market and a wonderful business for us, but the standard is throw more bodies at the process and we'll be able to get it done. That worked in a world where we had unlimited supply of individuals that were willing to do some of these laborious but as the millennials come into the market, they're not interested in doing those jobs. So we've had to take a look at the way we process our products. You look at any of the laborious positions like in-feeds and out-feeds, and then some of the more technical, challenging, require a lot of training positions like slitting film, splicing on the fly, all of those challenge points on the production line, and has forced us to be a little bit more creative in how we continue to process our materials. So you start looking at automating each one of those positions, finding the right equipment, and in some cases being creative and having a strategic partner, equipment partner to help us automate and build that process entirely from scratch. So it's really been a matter of being forced into this. You know, the larger companies in our market are continuing to acquire more and more businesses, the consolidation. You've got larger and probably less agile suppliers and OEMs out there. So the other strong component for us is this gives us a great opportunity to be more agile, more flexible, more creative, and start driving costs out from our bottom line. Because our larger competitors have maybe more buying power than us, we've had a tremendous success driving costs out of the bottom line through automation, innovation, and really just being disruptive in the natural process that this has always been for 50 years. I believe advanced manufacturing, if really grasped by the local RV market and some of the other great industries that we have in the area that kind of fly under the radar, I believe that if we truly grasp this concept, advanced manufacturing industry 4.0, and we start embedding those philosophies and processes into our workforces, we're going to have more satisfied individuals, more fulfilled individuals, individuals going home that are able to take care of their families in a much more significant and meaningful way. And I believe that will only streamline the growth of Elkhart County and Michiana as a whole.